Hi everyone, how are you all? So, once again I welcome you to our YouTube channel English with Guru. Today's our topic is models for English medium students. Okay, so let's start. First we will talk about can. Can. Can is used for power. Power that is expressed from our body, that is expressed from our mind. Okay na? For this type of powers we have to use model can. For example, I can say like there are two types of power. Physical power and mental power. To express both the power we have to use model can. But the condition is that the power must be present or must be available with us in present. If the power that is expressed in our sentence is available in present, then you may have to use can model. Okay? And if we talk about the next model, could. Could is used for physical and mental power same, but the difference is that could is used for past power. For past power. For example, I can say that I can lift this weight now. I can lift this weight now means I can lift this weight now. It means I have the power to lift this weight now at present. Then we have to use model can. And if I say that I blank lift this weight in my youth, it means now I can't lift this weight. I can lift this weight in my youth, but now I am no longer young, and now I can't lift this weight. So we have to use model could, because in this sentence the power is expressed. Okay, no physical power is expressed, but the power that is expressed in your sentence is not available to you now. It was available in the past. Okay, so I could. You have to use could. One more example. I can solve this question now. I can solve this question now. It means I can solve this question now. That is my power that is expressed from the mind. Okay. And second thing, the power is available in the present. Now express this thing. Okay. Now then we have to use model can. And if we talk about could, I could solve this question when I was in 10th class. It means now I can't solve this question. I can solve this question. I could solve this question when I was in 10th class. It means now I can't solve this question. This is a power. My power, mental power that was available in the past. Now it's not available. So we have to use model could. Okay. I hope you understand it very well. Now we will talk about our next models. Our next models are should and must. Should and must. Okay. So let's talk should and must. Both the models are used for advice. Both the models are used for advice, but the difference is that should is used for non-compulsory advice and must is used for compulsory advice. Should express the advice that depend on us that we follow it or not, and the must express that advice that we have to follow, and if we don't follow then we have to pay plenty and we will get punishment. Okay now, getting my words? For example, I can say like you should obey your parents. Okay, one more example like you should respect your teachers or elders. Okay now? So now as you can see, you should obey your parents. You should obey your parents. This is an advice, okay now? An advice that depends on us that you follow or not. You should respect your teacher. That is also an advice that you have that depends on you. Okay na, it doesn't matter, this advice is not compulsory. Okay na, you don't have to follow this advice. Okay na, it depends on us. Then we have to use model should in this sentence and we have used. Okay, if we talk about must is used for the advice that is compulsory to follow. For example, I can say that like you must come to school. You must come to school on time, or you must come to school in proper uniform, or you must pay your mobile bill. In this sentence you can see you must come to school on time. If you don't come, then you will get punishment. You must come to school in proper uniform. If you don't come in proper uniform, then again you will get punishment. You must pay your mobile bill. If you don't pay your mobile bill, then your mobile will be closed. It means we have to use model must when the advice is compulsory. Okay na? And there were some things that are prohibited in a particular area. For that we have to use must not. Must and not, like you must not smoke here, you must not park your vehicle here. These are the advices. Okay, now we will talk about next models. May and might. May and might. Both the models are used for possibility. Possibility, two types of possibility. May is used for more possibility and might is used for less possibility, or remote possibility. Okay, getting my words? May and might, both the models are used for possibility, but may is used for more possibility and might is used for less, remote possibility. Or we can say like 50% possibility. For 50% possibility, we have to use model can, and for 1% possibility, we have to use model might. For example, I can say like there are clouds in the sky, and it may rain today. It may rain today. And one more sentence like there are no clouds in the sky. It might rain today. In this sentence you can see there are clouds in the sky. It means clouds are available in the sky and there is possibility, 50% possibility for rain. Then we have to use model may. Okay, and here you can see there are no clouds. There are no clouds in the sky. Okay, it means there is only 1% possibility or less or remote possibility of rain. Then we have to use model might. Getting my words? Some more uses of may, like for permission. Wish, bless. For these type of things we have to use model may. For permission, wish, bless, crush, etc. Like may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? This is a sentence that expresses the permission. Okay na? For permission we have to use model may. For bless and crush and wish, like may you live long. May you live long. May God bless you. May God bless you. These are the sentences. Okay now? I hope you understand it very well. In our next class we will talk about some more models. Okay? Thank you.